Hi guys, this is part 2 of the series how to install the LTX video 0.948 using ComfyUI. Okay, in the previous part we have installed the ComfyUI portable and the ComfyUI manager. If you haven't seen, you can go to the link in the description and see the previous part to continue in this part. Okay. First of all, we have to open the ComfyUI. Okay, let's go here. Download the folder. When you have the ComfyUI portable, run it like this. Okay, fine. It's running. Okay, first thing we want to do is to go here and download this custom workflow. This one. Drag it here. When you drag, we have no missing, no types. Open manager. We have those nodes. Okay, first of all, we have to install those. Okay, fine. We have to restart. Restart. The server is restarting. It takes some time to compile all of those and download some files. Okay, I think it's done. Close this server. And let's go here. Open new window. And return here to the ComfyUI. Reopen it. Okay, fine. Let's open the manager right now. Okay, fine. Let's go here. Manager. Install missing nodes. We have two nodes. First one select, install. Second one, install it. Okay, install the second one. You must restart it. Confirm. Okay, confirm. Confirm. Okay, fine. Now we have missing some files. Text encoder T5X6 and we have prompt and the checkpoint LTX 0.9.3. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, how to get this files? To get this files, we have to go here to this website. Hugging Face, LTX video, free mail. You can get this link in the description. Okay. If you have 12 GB of VRAM or less, you can choose this version. 2 billion version. Okay, I want to choose this one. Okay, let's download this. Click here, copy down the link, go to IDM, add link, and press download. I already download. Okay, press X. Okay, second one is the text encoder. You can get it in this website. Okay, Hugging Face, blah blah, Flux text encoder, and press this file. Here, copy download link, and get add URL and download from this link. I already downloaded. Okay, let's move to the next step. Copy all of the files. After doing these files, we have to go here, close the browser, and let's go here to my ComfyUI. Open your tab, make it right here. Download this, you can get all our files right here, this file and this. Go to ComfyUI, search for models, press M, this one. Checkpoints. In this checkpoints, we have to copy this right here. Return to the models and search for text encoder. This one, paste here. And let's see it works or not, or we have missing some files. Let's go here, open it, and let's see. Okay, fine. It's open. Let's go here. It selects automatically. This one. Okay, choose this one. One click and choose my 2 billion file. Okay, we have some change right here. Change this one. It's 300. You can get this prompt, or you can find the prompt for your story on other thing using the ChatGPT. Delete this one. Okay, let's run it. And let's see it works or not. Okay, it works. Load clip. Let's see the task manager and see the consumption of the VRAM. Go ahead to performance. Okay, look at the GPU. It takes around 11 gigabytes of VRAM. I think it's done. One steps to finish. VIE encoder and video combine, and I have finished. Okay, this is my video. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this.